Good morning, students. Today, the next article of the linear equation is solving equation having the variables on both sides. Okay. So previously, we have seen this type of equation, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 7 or 5x plus 12 equal to 10. This type of equation we have seen, but see carefully that the RH, this is the LHS side and this is the RHS side, but in RHS side we have only just a number 7, 12, 10, 5, 2, only number, but left hand side contain the variables with number, variable and number. But it need not always to be that the RHS side is just a number. Sometimes the RHS side also contain the variables. With the number. Variable and both variable and number are in the RHS side, and also LHS side the variable and number. This is called the having the variable on both sides. The equation having the variables on both sides. This is also the linear equation. One type of linear equation. Okay. This is one type of linear equation having one side is just a number, but this is another type of linear equation, that is the variables on both sides. Equation having the variable on both sides. Okay. So how can we solve this type of problems? Okay. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is the equation previously we have studied. That is, we can add the additive inverse of the number on the left hand side and also add the right hand side. So that is 2x equal to 10. But to remove 2x from 2, so 2x we can divide 2 on both sides. That is x is equal to 5. But in case of the linear equation having the variables on both sides, the solution is quite different from this type of solution. Okay. See, consider this equation. This is the linear equation having variables on both sides. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 5. So we have to bring the variables to one side, and the numbers into one side. This is the only step. This is the main step when we solve the equation having the variables on both sides. So we have to take the variables towards the one side and the numbers into the other side. Okay. So take the variables to one side. So we have 2x, the another variable on the right hand side, that is 4x, but that is plus 4x. When I change the side, it becomes negative. When I change the side, the plus becomes minus, the minus becomes plus, the multiplication becomes the division, and the division becomes the multiplication. When I change the side, okay. So 4x is positive, so it becomes negative. When I change it into the LHS side, then plus 5 is there, but minus 3 is the left hand side, that is minus. When it is changed to the right hand side, then it is plus, it becomes plus. Okay. So 2x minus 4x, 4x minus 2x, how much it is? That is 2x plus 2x, because 2x is less than 4x. When 4 subtracted from 2, that is we have minus 2. In this way, when x is taken common, then 2 minus 4, that is 5 plus 3, 8. That is x. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, that is 8. When minus 2 is multiplied by x, it gives minus 2x. Minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x, that is 8. I recently said that if one number or one variable is multiplied with something, when it changes the side, then it is divided. So minus 2 is multiplied with x, that is 8. Then when it changes the side, according to this principle, variables to one side and numbers into one side. For this, the number is multiplied. Then when it is change the side, then it is divided. then it is divided, that is 8 upon minus 2, that is 8 upon minus 2 is minus 4. Okay, so the value of x is minus 4. This is the solution of the equation, solving equation having the variable on both sides. Okay, let us solve another examples. Let us take the variable is y. Okay, 2y plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 7. Okay, this is the linear equation having the variable on both sides. So first step is what? To change the side of the variables into one side and numbers into the another side. So 2y, 3y is added, so it is subtracted when it is change the side. Then plus 7 is here, but when the 5 is change the side, it becomes negative, that is minus 5. Okay, so 2y minus 3y, y is taken common, that is 2, so minus 3, that is 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so y, when 3 is subtracted from 2, that is minus 1, that is minus 1, that is 2. So minus y is equal to, so y when minus 1 is, y into minus 1 is equal to 2. Then the next step, what is the next step? Minus 1 is multiplied with y, so when it changes the side, it is divided, that is y is equal to 2 upon minus 1, that is also minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 for this equation. Okay, consider another equation. Let 5x plus 12 is equal to 3x plus 14. Okay, so this is the linear equation having variables on both sides, that is 5x, 3x is added, so here 3x is subtracted, then 14, 12 is added, then 12 is subtracted, so 2x, that is 2x. How 2x is comes? That is x is taken common, 5 minus 3, that is 2. So x into 2 is equal to 2, that is 2 is multiplied, so when it is change the side, it is divided, that is 2 upon 2, that is 1. So the value of x is 1. The solution is 1. Okay, in this way you can solve the equation having the variables on both sides. Okay, sometimes this type of problems is in the form containing the rational numbers as the component, that is 2 by 3x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4x minus 7 by 4. Okay, the equation is in the this one. This is also the equation having the variable on both sides, but the numbers are the fractions or the rational numbers. The numbers are the fractions. Simply the numbers are fractions, but it is same as the equation having the variable on both sides, because x, here is x, one variable. Okay, how can you solve? The same principle, that is 2 by 3x, this is 3 by 4x, it is plus, so when it is change the side, that is the negative. 3 minus 3 by 4x is equal to minus 7 upon 4, and this is plus 5 upon 2. When it is change the side, that is becomes minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so that is the LCM is 4. So minus 7 minus 10, that is minus 17 upon 4. Here 2 by 3x means 2x by 3, and 3 by 4x means 3x by 4, that is minus 17 upon 4. Take the LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. When 12 is divided 3 is divided by 12, that is gives 4. 4 is multiplied with 2x, that is 80x minus 4 is divided by 12 is divided by 4, that is 3. 3 is multiplied with 3x, that is 9x, that gives 17 upon 4. Okay, that implies 8x minus 9x, that is x is taken common, 8 minus 9, that is 12, that is minus 17 upon 4, that is 8 minus 9 minus 1, so minus x upon 12, that is minus 17 upon 4. So here also minus, here also minus, so minus minus can be cancelled, minus and minus can be cancelled. Okay, so we have x upon 12 is equal to 17 upon 4. See, x upon 12 means 12 is divided by x, so I have only x, I have only get x. So if 12 is divided in left hand side, when it changes the side, it is multiplied, so I multiply 12 on the right hand side. Okay, so in this way x is equal to 4 3s are 12, it is cancelled, 4 3s are 12, 17 3s are 51, the value of x is 51. Okay, in this way you can solve this type of problem. Okay, in next class you can see another application, another different type of application, this type of application where the equation we get, that is having the variables on both sides. Previously the application are in the single variable and one this type of equation, 2x equal to 4, 5x plus 3 equal to 7, but these are the application, but in the application, in this type of application we got the variables on both sides. Okay, 2 to 3 types of problems relating the equation having the variables on both sides, which will discussed in the next class. Okay, thank you.